Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Your boy Dominoes 7 here. Okay. Welcome y'all to my Instagram live right now. Okay. Yeah, I'm so happy to be here. Okay, day after Halloween. First day of Thanksgiving month. Okay. November the 1st, as y'all know. Okay. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. So I must say, y'all. I mean, I really enjoyed yesterday, even though I ain't do jack crap. Okay, I ain't do jack crap yesterday, But I've been good, mm, yeah. So here I am. Okay, I won't go downstairs and get disconnected. All right. So I must say, y'all. I mean, I really enjoyed yesterday. Yep, yesterday was a blessing. Children was dressed up in costumes and stuff like that. Even the parents was dressed in costumes. Okay, and I think it was 2017 or 2016. My mama said she wanted to give Brock a costume, and then for some reason I told my mama Brock is too old for a costume. I should have never told my mama that. I'm sorry I told her that. You know. I mean, I should have never told her that, because people could never be too old for costumes, could never. Okay, yeah, because they even have grown ups that wear costumes. Mm-hmm. Yep, that's that. That's how we go. Okay. Yep. So Thanksgiving month is here. Okay. Hopefully y'all gonna see some changes in here. Mm-hmm. All right. So just been working and stuff like that. Mm-hmm. So y'all gonna see a change in here. I'll put a love seat right here. I'm gonna put a sofa right here and stuff like that. So a new TV, well, an old TV and stuff like that. What I'm gonna put on this TV, my PlayStation 4 and stuff like that, and we'll watch TV from my PlayStation 4. Okay. All right. So yeah, y'all. If the law said the same, I won't be living in here much, because I'm planning on buying a house if y'all been following me and stuff like that, because I'm not gonna be staying in this house for the rest of my life, I'm planning on moving to Jefferson Parish, but I'm gonna still be part of this community, Later today, I'm going to the RTA station to go to the riders advisory meeting, and the reason why I go to them the meetings because I want to help people, not just the passengers, not just the passengers. We gotta, I gotta help them bus drivers and them supervisors, them people that work in that bus company, you know they did something to the routes which I don't like. I don't like what they did, honestly. But what I'm doing, I'm going to help them out because to me, I know that they have all the skills, but I just want help. That's all I want. Because I love this community. You know, I love this community. I love Iberia Parish community. I love who else? I love the Orleans Parish here, and I love Jefferson Parish. Okay, I love all y'all communities out there. Cause if I come to y'all community, I'm being peaceful. Y'all need help. I'm gonna try my best to pitch in and help. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. All right. So that's all I'm gonna say for right now. Okay. I'll see y'all later. Okay. All right.